Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. By the title of today's video, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be straightening my hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure you keep watching. Also, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so I feel like I haven't done a hair tutorial in a really long time, but today we are going to do a silk press on my hair, and I have actually already washed my hair off camera. So if you want to know a little bit about my wash routine, then I'll just go through that really quickly. So basically what I did was I took the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo, and I really love that shampoo, especially because I have a little bit of dandruff and dry scalp. So for the itch relief, I use that. I love that. And then right after that, I double cleanse because I follow up with the Olaplex shampoo, and I'm gonna try to put the products on the screen because I feel like if I'm just saying it, you guys are gonna be like, but which one? So yeah, hopefully I'll get those up on the screen. But yeah, so I double cleanse, follow up with that shampoo, and then I use the Olaplex Bond Moisture Mask. So I apply that all over my hair, and then I just go into my shower routine because I need that to sit on my hair for a few minutes. So I let that sit on my hair. It's a mask, and after I finish the entire shower routine that I have, then I move into rinsing that out with some cool water, and after that I condition my hair. So I use the Olaplex conditioner as well, and then rinse it all out, and now I have my hair, it's semi-wet in a little bun. So yeah, that's everything I did to wash my hair. So now let's move into the next steps. So I'm just going to take my hair down. What I want to do first is put my hair into 4 different sections. All right, so I'm about to part my hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. I just need to be able to work in sections because my hair is just a little bit thick. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, I did go in with one more Olaplex product. So it's like some kind of a bond smoother that I use in my silk press routine as my leave-in. But you can use any leave-in that you want. I just need a little bit of extra moisture. And when I'm doing these 4 sections, I'm just detangling my hair, even though it's already really detangled from deep conditioning and using just conditioner in general. I just want to make sure that the process goes really smooth and there's not too many knots, because my hair will knot up just from getting dry. Also, if you're wondering, the wide tooth comb is my favorite comb to use when it comes to detangling. I feel like it gets all of my knots out. So if you don't have one, definitely get one. They're literally less than $5. You can get you can probably get one for $1 at the beauty supply stores. So make sure you have a wide tooth comb. Okay, so now I have my hair put in 4 sections, and obviously I left this section down because I'm going to be working with this section first. I always, for some reason, start on this side of my hair, so I left this side down. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to detangle this section, and this is a big section, so I will split it into 2, most likely, if not 3. I just feel like the best thing you can do when you have thicker or longer hair is to work in sections, and it just helps the detangling process so much more. So there's one more product that I am gonna put in my hair. I know you guys are like, you're doing a silk press and you're using all these products. It's just 2 products, you guys, and I promise the silk press will come out looking great. I need a heat protectant, and for heat protectant I use this spray by Mielle. It is the Mongongo Oil Style Setting Spray. So basically it says to set the hair for indirect heatless styles. So the product basically says, our style setting spray moisturizes and protects hair from heat styling damage. The Mongongo oil leaves the hair soft and conditioned with luminous shine, infused with certified organic ingredients to nourish and promote healthy hair and scalp. You guys, I really love this product, and basically the directions are to apply to damp hair, comb through evenly and blow dry or set. So I'm just going to spray my hair, and really I just like to spray it in my hands and distribute it through my hair because I feel like it gets in there evenly, more evenly. I was gonna say evenly-er, that's not a word. So I feel like I got that into my hair. I'm just going to comb it through. And so now that the product has come through my hair, let's talk about blow drying before I actually start blow drying. So for my blow dryer, I'm taking my Dyson blow dryer, you guys. I love this thing, and I feel like anybody would love to have one of these for Christmas. I purchased this with my own money. So yes, I actually really love it. It has a few settings. I'm going to be using the heat setting, and then I think I usually put it on 2. 3 I think is too hot. So yeah, not only am I going to be using my Dyson blow dryer, but I'm using the Dyson comb attachment because I have trouble, you guys. I have trouble with combing and blow drying my hair at the same time, so I'd rather just use this nozzle. It's perfect, and it has not broke on me yet, which I, really appreciate. It's thick hair friendly, so if you don't have one of these for your Dyson, get one. All right, so now that I'm about to go into the blow drying process, I'm going to speed this up. It's going to be really loud, so I guess I'll just play some music over it, okay? I am splitting this into 2 sections because it's pretty big. Clipping this down. All right, and now it's time to blow dry the hair. So you guys, I want you to understand that this is one of the most important parts of the whole silk press. You want to get your hair as straight as possible without the flat iron, and basically I'm just going through making sure I don't have any knots from blow drying or from when my hair started to dry on its own. So I'm using the dry comb for that because my wide tooth comb is still a little bit wet. So now basically I'm just going to go through the rest of my hair blow drying it, and I'm going to really speed this process up. So now I'm just gonna take down my little plaits so I can see about how dry my hair got. It's really hard for me to blow dry my hair. I'm personally just not good at it, and I'm not a stylist, so I just do the best I can with the amount of hair that I have. Basically, this is what I'm working with. I'm just combing through my hair with my dry comb, make sure I don't have any knots. I don't really feel any on this side, so I'm just gonna go over here. Okay, you guys, let's see about how much hair I'm working with. So if you're wondering, I have about this much hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through my hair one last time with my blow dryer, just really quickly to make sure that nothing's damp. Now that I'm officially done blow drying my hair, it's time to talk flat iron / how I'm gonna be straightening my hair today. So I have this flat iron right here. This is a Chi flat iron. Honestly, You can use any flat iron. This one I have it set to 450, but honestly I really want a new flat iron. I know that Dyson has a really nice flat iron. I'd love that one if it wasn't like $500, so I'm just have to wait on that one for now. I'm gonna be using this baby right here. I used it the last time I did my hair and it was just fine, so this one it is. And then one more thing, I'm going to be doing a middle part, so I just have this part coming down the middle of my head, and to be honest, my hair naturally like goes into a middle part anyway, so this is usually what I have to work with. But yes, so I'm actually going to be putting my hair back into 4 sections, so I'll do that right now. Like I said earlier, I feel like it's just way easier to work with sections when you have a lot of hair. Even if you have like short hair, I'm pretty sure the sections will be easier, but I do think it's a personal preference. So now that I have my one section to work with, all I'm going to do is start parting and make really small pieces. Like even this, I feel like it's kind of big, so let me just make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, so I feel like this is good enough. And the rest of it I'm just going to pin up. And so for this part of my hair, I actually am going to be using a brush. I feel like everybody else uses the little comb, but I don't have one of those, and this worked just fine last time. So basically I'm just going to be brushing my hair, and I take the piece of hair, I take the brush, and I use my thumb. I don't know if you can see it, but I use my thumb to hold onto the brush. So, and I get as close to my hair as possible. My flat iron is warm, so I'm just going to, and then slide my brush down. And this is basically all I do. It's really straight like this. If you want to get your hair like really bone straight, then probably use the comb. I feel like I love a little bit of volume in my silk press because I actually don't really wear it like bone straight anyways. I usually put a flexi rod in it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to straighten my hair, so if you guys want to keep watching, just stay right there, and I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Alright you guys, what do you think of my hair? I think overall I did a really good job for someone who doesn't do hair, okay? Let's not forget, I'm not a professional or whatever. I don't do this. This is just like a quick hairstyle. I don't want to say quick, but I just wanted to do my hair. I want to do like a silk press because I feel like during the holiday time it's really hard to get in touch with stylists, and so it's really good to know how to do your own hair or attempt to do your own hair. So this was my second attempt. This is my second time in years silk pressing my own hair or straightening my own hair, and I love the results. I feel like I'm gonna turn around so you guys can just kind of see, but yeah, I think it looks really good. It's really long and healthy. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty long, very long and healthy. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the final look. If you're new to my channel, definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button, of course, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.